This is our chance to turn despair into hope. It's a time to try and turn the whole political agenda around and provide hope for young people, that they won't grow up in a world of personal debt. They won't grow up in a world of privatised healthcare. They won't grow up in a world of high rents and housing stress. And they won't grow up in a world of war and environmental destruction. That is our function in life. We cannot live with these grotesque levels of inequality and call it a civilised society. Nobody should be forced to sleep on the streets. Nobody should ever be forced to beg for food or water just to sustain life. And the last point is on the global scale. Refugees are not the cause of wars around the world. Refugees are not the cause of environmental destruction. Refugees are not the cause of shortages in Europe.